Fighter jets are the rock stars of modern air forces. Let's see who's rocking South Asia skies, starting with India. First up, the Dassault Rafale. Known for its Spectre EW system and Meteor missiles, this multi-role fighter is a game-changer. Next, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. This jet boasts thrust-vectoring engines and an impressive range, making it a powerhouse in the sky. Third, the Halter Jazz Mach 1A. Light, agile, and packed with advanced radar, it's replacing the aging MiG-21S. Fourth, the MiG-29 UPG, a top-notch interceptor with upgraded avionics and excellent dogfighting capabilities. Finally, the Mirage 2000I/Ti. Famous for its role in the 2019 Balakot airstrike, it's a precise striker. Stay tuned for Pakistan's top jets. Who do you think has the edge? Comment below.